Mark from Hockley has a question about a driveway.
Well, yeah, it's this driveway, Tom. This is his house, and as you can see, I think he's into restoring trucks over there on the side, which I'd like to see some of those when they're done.
I love the pictures of the trucks. I really did like his trucks.
It was like I had to look away from the trucks to look at the driveway.
No, I did too.
Nice stuff you got there, Mark. All right, he says, I'm looking at adding a driveway between the house and the existing drive. He wants to know what would be the best way to get a good turnout on that driveway.
It's going to be easy. If you notice also, he has no grass. It's just dirt over there. So
it's going to simplify the process.
He needs to do something else. And so I would just say you're just going to pour it up to your existing driveway and up to the house. Keep it very simple. It will be fine. And you'll have a nice, bigger driveway for more trucks. And we all need more trucks. So I think it's a great idea.
Yeah.
And you don't have to mow the grass there either.
There you go. You don't. But you will have to keep the driveway clean. So, get the kitty litter.
It will not match. The color's always going to be different when you pour a new driveway. It's okay. But I think that was a poor design, leaving such little bit of grass, no flower bed, nothing right there. Mm-hmm. And if you're into your cars and stuff, and my house almost is exactly the same, where my driveway goes all the way to the house, and I think it's a good idea. But just pour a new some concrete in there and make it nice and smooth and flat and all that good stuff. But it'll be fine.
And the only way to make it match would be to tear out the old one and pour a whole new one.
You'd have to. And before you do that, you call Cherry Companies and let them take all the old concrete out, and you can pour a whole new one. But I will guarantee you this gentleman does not want to do that.
I guarantee it. Why would he spend money doing that when he could invest it in restoring more trucks? I'm just saying.
I agree. Okay. I like my old Bronco. I'm still driving it this afternoon. It's fine.
I'll tell you this, though. If he's got that many old trucks, he better have a bag of kitty litter in the garage to pull the oil up off the
the oil? Yeah, the oil. That's true.
All right. You got a question, we'd be happy to help you out, whether it's your driveway or your roof, your foundation, anything in between. We're here for you. Go to visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out the Ask Tom form, send it in, fill it out, and all that. And your question will come out just like this. And by the way, not only do we post them to our YouTube channel and our website every day, we also put them on our Facebook page. So you check that out. Be one of the 38,000 plus people who follow us there.
No way, 38?
Almost 39.
Really? Hallelujah.